Your Trafft booking website comes in English as the default language, but you can translate it easily into one of the 13 currently available languages. To use this option, go to Customize, a language, and choose the one you want from the drop-down menu. You can see that now my booking website is in German. But what if you want your booking website to be multilingual, so that your customers can choose the language they want during the booking process? With Trafft, you can do that too. To enable it, go to Settings, Features and Integrations and activate the Multilingual support feature. Then go back to Customize and under the Language tab, choose the default language for your booking website, as well as one or more additional languages. Now your customers have the flexibility to select their preferred language seamlessly throughout the booking process. Keep in mind that the language changes will apply exclusively to your booking website. If you wish to update the language of your notifications as well, you can do so manually by navigating to Settings, Email Notifications, and using the Translate button.